guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Teresa Michele, and today we are going to be reviewing these Daodor Mega Lashes. These lashes are 120D lashes, which means that there are 120 individual lashes in one cluster. So you already know we are about to be bringing the drama. There are 120 pieces in this lash kit, and they range from 8mm lashes to 18mm lashes. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we're working with. This is what the lash kit looks like. These lashes are so voluminous, as we can see. The kit also comes with a spoolie, some tweezers, and bonding seal. Now that we know the contents of the kit, it's time for us to decide, how dramatic do we want to be today? Do we want to go super dramatic, or do we want to just keep it like mid-range? I'm feeling a little feisty today, and so I'm thinking that I may want to just give all the drama, but let me see. Let me take one of these 18mm lashes right here and just hold it up to my lash line and see. Okay, I think that we can do the 18. I think that we can definitely do the 18. I'm not mad at the 18 at all. All right, so we are going to do 18. Okay, so they come in increments of 2, right? So it goes 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So we're going to start with the 18s on the outer corner, and we're just going to work our way in and shorten the length as we go. I want you guys to see how quickly and easily you guys can apply these lashes at home. It is so fast. I just love how quickly you can apply these lashes. Well, let's get into it. The bond contains biotin, and the seal contains vitamin E, which is great for your lashes. Both of those will help aid in lash growth and lash health. The first thing we're going to do is take our spoolie and just brush it through our lashes. We want to make sure that there aren't any clumps, and we want to separate our natural lashes and make sure that they are free of any debris, lint, anything like that. You want to make sure that you wash your lashes before you apply these lashes, just to make sure that they are nice and clean, which I did. So we should be good to go. All right, bam. Now you're going to take the bond and you are going to apply that to your natural lashes. Let me just pull this mirror a little bit closer to me. This bond is a milky white. We're just going to go ahead and take the bond and we're going to apply it to the base of our lash like that. And I like to give it a little shimmy. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. All right, so that's quick, right? Now I'm going to pick up the 18mm length with my tweezers. And I am going to just apply it underneath. And with my tweezers, I'm just pushing it up right there just to secure it. And you want to make sure that it's not applied directly on your upper waterline. You do not want to apply it there because that will cause irritation. Bam. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I'm already excited. I'm going to take another 18 and then I'll move to a 16. Right. Here's another 18 right here. Oh, look at this. Look at this drama that it's already giving. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. All right, bam. Okay, let's go with the 16. Let's take 16 and put it under. And I'm just putting them right next to each other. So I don't know. Look at how that looks. Okay. So we got a 16 going there. Bam. Let's do another one. Ooh, I'm so excited. I just can't wait. Bam. Okay, look at that. Let's do a 14. Look, I just this is crazy. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's pop on a 12. Like, I'm wondering if I should do another 14. I think I'm gonna do another 14. Yeah, I'm gonna do another 14. And then I think I can fit a 12. Yeah, I can fit a 12. Okay. All right, bam. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, okay, let me put the 12. There we go. Uh-oh. I think I got a little bond on my tweezers. Yes, I did. So you want to make sure that you keep your tweezers bond free, or else that will happen. Let's go ahead and take this again. Put that 12 right there. What? 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 Look at these. Ooh, crazy. Look at how fast that was. I applied these lashes so fast and they look so good. Look at this. Okay. All right. Let me see. Let's take the seal. Okay. So the seal is clear. And then we're just going to put it underneath like this. And then I'm going to go on top as well. Just try to get it. You know, these lashes are voluminous. So we want to try to make sure we get it. Like close your eye a little bit and like get it in there. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. I just, I love this. So the seal is going to make the bond no longer sticky. So you want to make sure that you put the seal where you put the bond. Okay, now I must say, for the seal, I like how the other one was, where it's like a little sponge. I'll show you. Hold on. Other one that I received from them had a little sponge like this at the tip. And so I was able to go in like this on the top and get it. And so I like that. Since these are so voluminous, I like how that does that. You can also see that when you apply the seal, it does separate the lashes a little bit and it makes them a little bit more defined. So when we first put them on, they were like, you know, a little bit more fluffy. And now we can see some more definition going on right here. Ooh, look at that. Do you see how long that took me? That was so fast. I just can't stop looking at them. And they do not feel heavy or anything, which is good. Yes. I need to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. Oh my God, I just love these. And the company said these would look really good on you because you have big eyes. So let me show you guys. So under there, you can see that I put the lashes right next to each other, and I did not put it on this upper waterline like I mentioned. Because that, it will irritate your eye. I made that mistake before when I accidentally went a little bit too far down and it was uncomfortable on my eye. So you want to make sure that you stay away from that area. Look at the, I just can't. Okay, let me do the other side. Ooh, look at these lashes. You guys, look at these lashes. Look at this. It looks so good. Now I just gotta apply some mascara underneath. Let's see. Look at that. That is crazy. That was so fast. It looks so good. I just, now I need to go somewhere. That is the end of this review slash tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to click the link in the description box below so that you can get your lashes today. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe below. Bye. Oh my God, these are so cute.